So how did the Fotopro tripod hold up, and why did I have to get a new one? Well, let me show you why. Kim Townsel here. Welcome back to my channel. It's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'll share this video if appropriate. I was very pleased with this, but it didn't last 6 months. When it decided to tear up, it tore up. Let me show you what happened. This is my original Fotopro uFO 2 set. I got this one because it has this type of holder which will hold my Samsung Galaxy phone. Did a nice job on that. This never worked. It's supposed to be a remote clicker where I could activate my phone from a distance, and I never got that to work. I emailed the company, they never emailed me back. This worked really, really well for me until it didn't. And what eventually happened was the legs broke. Let's see if I can get a close-up here. It just broke off down in there, and there's no fixing that. And then the other one broke the same way. So basically what I ended up having was 2 broken legs. There's a broken leg, and this one was still stable. So these basically were just props. So when I would try to prop my phone, right now it's on the carpet, it's not sliding. If I did it on a slicker surface, it would slide around. I couldn't adjust this without the legs moving. There was just absolutely no stability in here anymore. You can see it just broke. It's nothing but a prop now. There's no forming it. There's no way to stabilize it. You're just at the mercy of whatever's on the bottom. But nevertheless, it worked. It solved a lot of problems for me, and for 22 bucks, it was worth 22 bucks for the 6 months, because I spent more than that on things that didn't serve me as well. So if this one lasts me another 6 months, I'll probably get another one to do the last half of 2019 as well, because it's the only thing I found that solves my problem. Here's a screenshot of what the tripod can look like. The photo on the far left shows what my phone looks like when I'm videotaping it. The 2 smaller ones show you the options for mounting different types of visual aids on it. The hand shows you what's supposed to be able to work with the remote. It didn't work for me. Look in the text below this video, and I have a link for more information and to order a tripod like this through Amazon. I'm filming the unboxing of the second one on my old tripod, so if it slips down, all apologies. Expecting to see exactly the same items as I saw before. With very simple instructions, and it tells you how to do the Bluetooth remote, which did not work for me the first time. I will try it this time. I did email them and got absolutely no response. The tripod looks exactly the same. This is the part I was looking for. This is the little Bluetooth device. This is the part that I need. And it just screws in. It has other components if you want to use them on a different type of camera, but since I shoot with my Galaxy, that's what I need. And then it just sets up as so. And you can watch my other video for a better unboxing. But the legs are supposed to do this. They're supposed to stay where you move them, which they did until they broke. So I'm going to take my phone out of my tripod and show you the differences and why I had to get a new one. The old one's on the top, and I just looped the Bluetooth around this so I would know where it was. But you can see how the legs are, they've lost they'll bend down here, but they broke up here. So there's no stability. I can't stabilize the distance or the width in here because it just broke. You see there's nothing. And it's supposed to, when you pull it up, it's supposed to stay where you want it to go. So this one's unstable. Like when I try to move it around, it wiggles. So it's very limited about what I'm going to be able to use it for. But if it lasts me 6 months, I guess it's going to be considered a disposable tripod, and we'll go with that. Thanks for watching my video review of the Fotopro uFO, whatever it is. And remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video if appropriate. If you have time, watch another video before you go. YouTube likes you sticking around, and hopefully I've got some information for you. And hopefully you can leave us some below in the comments. Thanks, take care, let's help each other be better consumers. Bye.